In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix display capture not working in OBS Studio, black screen fix. If your display capture is showing a black screen or simply not updating, don't worry, this is a common issue and it's usually quick to resolve. We'll walk through 3 reliable fixes, starting with permissions, then a quick source refresh, and finally rebuilding the display capture source if needed. First, make sure OBS is running with the right permissions. Close OBS if it's open. Then right-click your OBS shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. Confirm the prompt if you see one. Running OBS with elevated permissions lets it properly hook into your desktop, which is essential for display capture to work, especially on systems with multiple GPUs or stricter security settings. After it opens, take a look at your preview. If you can now see your desktop mirrored in OBS, you're good to go. If it's still black, let's quickly refresh the source itself. In the sources panel at the bottom of OBS, find your display capture entry, click the little eye icon next to it to hide the source, wait a second, and click the eye again to show it. This simple toggle often resets the render state and brings the feedback without changing any of your settings. Keep an eye on the preview to see if the image returns. If that doesn't do it, the most effective fix is to recreate the display capture source. In the Sources panel, select your display capture and remove it. Don't worry, this only deletes the source from the scene, not your scene collection. Now click the plus icon, choose Display Capture, and give it a clear name so you can recognize it later. When the Properties window opens, pick the exact display you want to capture if you have more than one monitor. Make sure the preview looks correct, then confirm. You should now see your desktop rendering properly in the main preview window. If needed, resize or position it within the canvas so it fills your scene the way you want. After you've got the feed working, consider locking the source to avoid accidental moves and do a quick test record or start a short preview stream to confirm everything behaves as expected. If you're capturing gameplay, remember that display capture shows your whole monitor, including notifications. So close anything sensitive before you go live. That's it. By running OBS as an administrator, refreshing the source visibility, and rebuilding the display capture when necessary, you can resolve the black screen issue quickly and get back to creating